Hello, I'm Adriana, and I'm here with our beautiful Angel Benny and our beautiful Shinobi. And the project for today is how made this beautiful cake for Halloween for your pet, cat, and dog. Let's start. Come on. We had two fabrics, one with the print you like it. In this case, it's a Halloween print, and one solid color matching with one of the colors of the print. We have here two squares, 15 by 15. We have two rectangles, approximately 29 inch by 2.5 inch. We had two ribbons, 15.5. We had a ruler, we had a tree, some clips, and let's start. We will use it as a reference, a color she wears very often, and we know fit perfectly to her. We take inside of the collar to see her measurements. In that case, we're talking about 10 inch. With that information, we're going to working in her partner for her cape. Knowing the Shinobi's neck is about 10 inch, we're going to divide by 4, and the total will be 2.5 inch. With that information, we're going to find the 2.5 inch from here to here, where we meet the 2.5 inch. Because it's a straight line, we will use this roll to make a little curve here to help with the neck. When we had that, we can cut, and this one is what we'll use it for Shinobi's cape. Then we're going to the squares we had. We can put together. We can fold it in half and fold it one more time in half. And after we had the fabric folded, and we will looking for the corner with no edge, and we will place the partner and marker where we will cut the fabric. I hope so you are enjoying. If you like it, please give a like and share with friends and family. Now, back to our cape. The length of the cape, we will use it the full length of the fabric, that is 7.5 and 7.5 here. We will mark it. I will use the fabric marker. We hold it and we start move to marker 7.5. Hold it in the corner and move to 7.5 and mark it. One more time. 7.5. Okay, this is excited. We can see soon how our beautiful cat or dog can look. Now we're going to work to make easy when we cut. Now we hold the fabric. I'm doing the two fabric at the same time. Okay, now that we have here is almost our cape, and we're going to fold it in half, and we can fold it in half and just mark right here will be the front of the cape. And what we will do is cut down in the middle of the cape. Just one size of the two fabric. Okay, now we have the cape. And we're going now to the next step. Now we're going to choose one of the fabric, either one. In our case, we will working with the Halloween print, and we will leaving the linen here separate for the next step. Having this one here, we will add the pieces we had before to add to the cape, and we will add here folder in the ends, placing the edge against to the edge and leaving at least half inch, because we will need that room when we're sewing there. And we will do the same with the another end. We will fold it here, and facing the edge with the edge. After, we will start to distribute the fabric around the cape. After we finish doing that, we go into the machine and we start sewing. We will do the one step at a time, and it's sewing the ruffle, and after we will sewing the liner. That means the green piece will be between the print and the linen, and this way. But because we want the project looks really nice, we will do this one first and this one the second part. At the same time, we have here the ribbon. That is, we will use it to tie the cape and the neck of our furry baby, and we will sew in this way. You can keep the clip right here, and now we can go into the machine. See, we had the clips and some pins to keep the fabric in place. and we start to sewing in the edge. Always had in mind that the project no need to be perfect, but it's all the time a dedication we put in them. After we sew in the middle part, we put in the top the lining, and now we're going to sew in around the edge, and we will leave in a small opening here. That is where we'll use it to sign out the fabric. We can start, and we can start this size. Then when you finish, we're going to turn inside out our cape. Be patient, stay maybe a little time to do it, but it's okay. So cute. I love the colors. I love how it looks. Now we have the open it here. We will close and we will sew in around the neck. After we finish here, we're going to iron it as we like to do in our projects, and after we can see how it looks. And this is our cage for pets, cats and dogs. I hope so you enjoyed this video and motivate you to try at home for your furry kids. And if you want to see more videos about pet lovers, please go into the pillowcase, something you can make at home as well, and try. Leave in the comments if you like it, and many blessings. See you there.